Hello, hi, this is Fire Alarm 719, and I am making a video on my fire alarm collection. There's not any alarms hooked up right now, but I am going to hook them up soon. And if you want any alarms to be hooked up, any alarms, any of my signals, whatever you want, I'm gonna show them soon on this video. And you will put what you want to be first. It's gonna be your decision of what you want to be hooked up first, so you can hear it go off. So I am now going to show you my pull stations and signals. Now first off, we have the Bosch pull station. It does have scratches on it, but you can't see them. It to be pulled down like this, and when I reset it, I have to push the lever back up and then lock it with my keys. And second of all, we have my AIP. Yes, this is an AIP. It looks kind of like one of those Edwards pull stations. And they pull them down like this, and then they reset them like this. They flip that switch down, and they press it back in. Sorry about that. And my third pull station is the Siemens right here. It is resetted with this Allen wrench, which I'm going to demonstrate pulling it down. You can see it says alarm at the top, and I'm putting it in and reset it. Gotta click it back, and now to the signals. First off, I'm going to start with my strobes. This strobe is my halon. I don't know what that means on it. It must mean some kind of heat source that it must tell you about. This is the back of it. You can see the blue is positive and the white is negative. And I also got another strobe, but it looks the same, but except it's fire. It kind of reminds me of my old alarms at my elementary school. They were really loud, like ah, like that, and they were really loud, and I got really annoyed until I got out. Yeah. And now my first horn. My first horn is this 34T 24. Here's the back of it. You can see the magnet, the coil, and everything else. I can't really read all of that. And my 7002T-24 This is the front, and this is the back. I know, I got two of them. See? They are my signals. I have to put them down here because I don't got enough room on this table. And here is a Wheelock NS 4-2430 watts. It is, I know it's white. It looks like a regular NS. You can see the back of it and the front of it. I also think it's odd to see a white one. That is very odd. And here's one. This one is the Faraday 6234E. I know it looks kind of like the Siemens U-H&H, but except without the lettering on the sides, and this little magnifying glass right here. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it right there. And this is my very third signal. It is the system sensor SP2R1224MC, and here's the back of it that you see. I know. I see YouTube users all know that have this same kind of speaker strobe. And this is my backup battery for my fire alarm panel. The panel is a Simplex 4002, which I can't take you to it right now because the camera is on the computer. I can't really hold it. It is a big touch smart computer. And right there in my background, next to the fireplace, that little white thing you see behind me is my smoke detector. It's a voice alarm. It also detects carbon monoxide. And I have tested it. It works fine. How you would know if it works is its green light that flashes, and I'm not sure you can see it from right here. So that was my video. Thank you for watching. And